In this video, I'm going to be showing you 2 methods on how to fix YouTube. Sorry, this content is age restricted. So if you want to remove age restriction on YouTube app, here is exactly how you can fix this problem on both devices, iOS and Android phones. So follow the steps and you will be able to fix this problem. Just open your app, your YouTube app, and in the top you can see there your profile picture. In the top you want to click it, and after that you want to click on settings. And after that, you want to click on general and you want to turn this off. As you can see here, it says here restricted mode. You want to turn this off and now see if the problem is fixed. If it doesn't, if the problem is not fixed yet, here is the second method which will work for everyone. Like everyone will remove age restriction on YouTube. So just open again your profile picture in the top right. You want to click it. And after that, instead of clicking settings, you want to click on manage your Google account. In the top, you can see there manage your Google account. And after that, you want to click on personal info, as you can see here. All right, now you want to click on birthday. You want to scroll down and click on birthday. As you can see here, you want to click on birthday and make sure now to change it so that you would be over 18, because the reason why you have age restricted mode on your YouTube app is because you are not above 18. So make sure to change it so that you would be over 18. I'm going to change it to 2001 day 5 January. So after you change it, make sure, like I said, to be over 18 and make sure to click on save. They are saying you are 22 years old. Is this correct? Yes, confirm. And that's all you need to do. Now close the app and then see. You won't have the problem anymore. Hopefully, guys, this video helped you. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe. Have a good day. Watch the video in the screen to learn more.